everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm wearing the same makeup, same outfit, but I decided to make this video into two different parts. So one is going to be this super nice summer glowy makeup. That'll be a separate video, and this one is just all about my June FabFit Fun box, which is also a summer box. As you all know, I am FabFit Fun affiliated. I do have a link which will give you a 10% discount, and then I'll have a code as well which will give you an extra 10% discount. So total, if you join FabFit Fun box now, you will get 20% discount. Anyway, you guys all know I've been with FabFit Fun box for very long time. I just been their affiliate just from beginning of this year. So but I absolutely ride and die for this box subscription, because this is one of the box subscriptions I absolutely admire. I really back it up. Whatever they send you is such a good range, and the good thing is you can customize your box by going onto the website. If you join them, I believe if you join as an annual membership, then you actually get to customize your whole box, because you get quite early access and everything. But if you join them on monthly, you can still customize your box, but you will have some limitation. You just be like, you can only customize 3 to 4 things, and then the rest will be whatever they will send you. And everything which will you receive in your box, you will be deciding that yourself, because when you join FabFit Fun box, as you create your account, you will have to put in like what stuff you like it. Like if you like more skincare stuff, you want to see more makeup in your, or you want to see more home style stuff, more lifestyle stuff, more fashion related jewelry, accessories, whatever, you just have to add in there. So based on your profile you create on FabFit Fun box, that's how they actually customize your box. So it's actually fitting exactly what you requested or what your needs is. So my personal thing is, as you all know, I am a lot into skincare right now. I absolutely die for skincare right now. I just want to try everything possibly out there for brightening, hydration, anti-aging, acne, to make my skin look even more healthy. And touch wood, it's been very good. My skin has been so good to me in past couple of months. My skin never felt that healthy, that glowy, that radiant without any makeup. Like I feel so confident nowadays just to go out of my house without wearing any makeup, because I feel like I'm just glowing anyway. If you are interested to know what kind of skincare I follow, I'll just put a card somewhere here, so you can just click on that video and you can go directly onto that video to see what is my current skincare routine, and that includes all the detailed information about all the products I'm using right now. So jumping onto my FabFit Fun box, which I'm just going to grab it. So this is the summer box. So can you see, like, oh my god, this is all the summer box. It's literally falling down, but I'm going to show you every single product individually so you can see exactly what I got. I'm just going to move the box a little bit on the side so it's not in the frame. So first thing first, I received a small, like a travel size blow dryer with a diffuser, a small quite nice diffuser, and this is from a brand called SUTRA Beauty. This is the brand, and this is the hair dryer. So as I said, it's a travel size. It's quite nice, and for a travel size, it's super powerful, because I just tried it yesterday. The next item in my bag is, or in my box, is this Grace and STELLA Rose Spray. It's a facial spray, and Grace and STELLA is one of my favorite brands. I've used their anti-aging eye patches for a very long time, and it's one of my favorites. I always go back to that one, even though I've been given so many different ones to try and everything. I still go back to Grace and STELLA. It's just only because that's the only one that seems to work for my skin. So this time I received their rose spray, which is absolutely amazing. Anything with rose scent, I really like it anyway. So, but the good thing is, you can just spray it anytime. You can just spray it all over your makeup as well and everything, and it gives your face a really nice hydration and super glowness and radiance and everything. So absolute glowness. What is that? Did I just create a word? Super glowy. So I absolutely love this product. It's a little bit shame because my bottle is a little damaged because the box was all wet and everything, but I'm going to speak with FabFitFun box about this anyway. They are super duper good. If you receive something which are not good or damaged or anything, if you contact their customer service, is so freaking good. They will refund you, or they'll give you some sort of credit towards your next thing, so you can add it in your next box. They are super good. You just have to like contact them. That's it. They are super duper good. Okay, the next thing in my box is this Burn 3 resistance exercise bands, which we all know, and they are in 3 different sizes. So Burn medium, Burn light, and Burn heavy. So again, nothing special or anything. It's just a normal exercise bands you use in your at your gym. Sorry, not in your gym, at your gym. So this is exactly, I actually needed something like this for my home workout. Okay, coming back to this, well, we'll talk about this later, but I'm currently doing a home workout at home, so I use a lot of stuff, but I'll do a separate video regarding that. But this is something I was missing in my home workout kit, so I'm so glad I received this. This is one of the items I customized it in my box myself because I knew I needed this. When I saw there is an option to customize about this, I just chose this one. So I'm super happy I got this. The next thing in the item is, they know me so well. It's from a brand called Ultraviolet. Sorry, it's a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So again, it's one of the face masks for, and it's a brightening mask. Totally up my street. You all know anything with brightening, anything with that kind of product. I'm all up for it. I'm just like, yeah, just give it to me. Brightening, hydration, anti-aging, just give it to me. I'm just gonna try it. So I'm super excited to send me this. Do you know what? While I'm doing this video, I just realized this. I'm just going to spray this a little bit on my body too, because it just makes my whole thing look super glowy. Can you guys see like how much my body is glowing after spraying this? I am in love. I think this is going to be my new obsession. Ooh, ooh. Check me out. Check me out. Okay, going back to the box. The next thing in the box is from a brand called Whish. I have tried their many products before as well, and it is a pretty good brand. And this time I got exfoliating foot masks. This, you guys all know how much I love my feet and my hands and everything. So whatever I do for my face, I just want to make sure I do it for my hands and feet as well, because come on, it's your body. You want to take care of every part of your body, not just only your face or your or just focus on your health or your fitness or your figure and everything. You just want to concentrate on every single part of your body. And I am very much into like my whole body from head to toe kind of thing. So I'm super excited about this. I haven't never used something like this before, so this is going to be my first time. So it's a coconut milk plus verbena exfoliating foot mask. It's supposed to smooth, soften, and provide intense hydration to your feet. And they said to apply on a problematic area where you think is the most dryness and hydration or dryness or like hardness and everything. Apply on that area nighttime. Leave it on all night time, and then wash it following morning. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you know my thoughts about this one when I use it. Just keep an eye on my Insta stories. Most likely I'll be reviewing this product on my Insta stories or on my snaps. So if you don't know my Snapchat or Instagram handle or my Twitter handle, everything will be posted towards the end of the video, so you can see it all there. So again, this is one of the products I'm super excited about trying because I've never tried anything like this before. The next item in my box is from a brand called Intelligent Nutrients, and it's a defining micro polish, microdermal, smooth exfoliate, blah blah blah. And I think it's just an exfoliator. Super fine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purify pores, all skin, especially oily and dry. So it's just another exfoliator. Anything with the good skincare products, I'm there for it. If something that's new I just come across and I never tried it before, I'm all there for it. I'm always ready to try, because you never know where you're going to find the diamond, because sometimes you just think it's a diamond, but it turned out to be a super stone. So I'm quite super excited about trying this. Maybe I will try this today because I haven't done exfoliation on my face for a couple of days now, and it's due one, so I might try this today and I'll let you know my thoughts again on my Instagram stories. So maybe when I'm posting this video, it won't be today, it would be like some couple of days after or something. So just keep an eye on my Instagram stories. Everything will be reviewed over there. The next item in the box is, again, this is one of the items I customized it myself, because when I saw this is an option to be customized, and I was just like, let's just go for it. And it's from a brand called 111 Skin, and it's their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. There we go. That's what it is. Absolutely super excited about this one, because you all know how much I love my sheet masks. And it came, how many in there? So it's 5 masks. So there's a 5 sheet mask in there, and I know retail price for this product is around like $70 or $80 or something. So I'm super excited about this one. Definitely going to give it a go. So the last item in my the next item in my box is from a Living Proof, and it's the Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. I have used this before. It is a super good cream. It's just, you just apply it before you style your hair, and it just cancels all the frizz. I have used this before, so I know it is a super good cream. The last thing in my box is this super duper cute invisible traceable hair rings. So just a hairband, though the one I really like, and I'm one wearing today as well. And they are pretty good size, because when I saw them, I was just like, they are looking super small. I don't know if they're gonna fit my hair or not, but they just expand, man, expand. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it. So this was my whole FabFit Fun Summer box. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. All the details regarding my affiliation code and the discount code will be mentioned in the description box below. I can highly recommend this box to anybody who's looking for a good box subscription out there. You only get 4 boxes in a year, but believe me, all the products are so worth it. There are so many new things you receive, and you never get the same item in like your next box. You will always have something new to try. So it's not like something you received a couple of months ago, you will get it again. No, it's always would be something new in the box, which is amazing. And this is the only way, I think it's the best way to try a product without paying the retail price, because what you would pay like $49.99 for this box, and you're getting a product which are worth around like $350, and you get to try the full size product, because sometimes you go and you want to try a product and you only get a travel size, or you only get a little small part of testers, which not going to give you like a proper, you have to try a product for at least a month to know if it's going to work for you or not. So you do get everything full size. If you do like the whole range, do check out FabFit Fun Box website to see what kind of things they offer, what kind of brands they work with. They work with very good brands. All are very well known in the industry. All have very good reputation and everything. So it's absolutely amazing box subscription to go for. Again, if you don't want to use my code, it's absolutely fine. It's not pressure or anything. But if you do use my code, you will get 10% from my link and 10% more for the summer discount code. And for that, 20% discount on the whole FabFit Fun box. Hope you guys enjoy this quick review or quick unboxing of my FabFit Fun box. The products I haven't used yet, I will be reviewing them on my Instagram stories. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Bye.